Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you guys doing? For those that are new, welcome. For those that already are following me, thank you for sticking in. Today we'll be doing a turmeric face cream. This cream is very nice for a glowing skin. Yeah, and this cream is very good for skin whitening, skin brightening. And if you suffer for hyperpigmentation, if you have anti-wrinkles, if you have dark spot, guys, this cream is the best because it contains what is this, carrot oil. This carrot oil, I made it myself. It's infused carrot oil. It contains or sweet orange oil, aloe vera rice gel. Guys, I made this gel is my favorite. So this cream is the best that one can make for yourself at home. And so if you're interested on how to make this lotion, please follow the video. And another thing, guys, do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video, please. All right, so let's continue the process. Yeah, first thing is first, you need to melt out the butter the way you say. I melted the butter already, and then you need to mix it very well so that it blends out nicely. And then add 5 spoons of our carrot infused oil. So this is the carrot the carrot oil. So you only add 5 spoons, 5 spoons of that. And then once you add all, and then you add once you add the 5 spoons of carrot oil, and once you add the 5 spoons of carrot oil, mix everything together. It needs to blend very well, guys. The mixture must mix. I'm joking. So the chemistry okay, so everything must be mixed nicely, must be blended very well. And then after that, you can see now it's cooled down. The paste, the batter must cool down. Once it cools down, becomes hard, like the way you see here on this video. It becomes hard. Before it becomes very hard, before you harden up, add already your turmeric, your aloe vera rice gel, add it on it so that it becomes, because so that everything can be blended nicely, because if it gets hard, it will be very difficult to blend. So after that, take your whisk blender or your hand blender, whatever you call it, mix it together, blend. Now you need to blend it, blend until you see, until it becomes like a yogurt paste, the way you see there. But then I'm not satisfied, so I continue mixing, make hand whisking or hand mixing. So you mix it, and then once you're happy, you keep them aside to cool down again, because you need to cool down. Because and it's if the way you see the paste, the way you see this mixture now, the paste, the way you see it's still very hot, so you don't want to continue blending while the mixture is hot. Now I keep on adding. I just finish everything, all the paste, the aloe vera gel. I continue putting it there. I didn't wanna yeah, I just put everything there. And then add 5 drops of your sweet orange essential oil. Don't add a lot. It depends on the it depends on the quantity you want. But then if the quantity is a lot, also you need to calculate on how much essential oil you need to add. Because remember, essential oil is it's very good for the skin, but then the more, if you use it a lot, if you use a big quantity on your skin, it also can be harmful. I don't know if I'm wrong, but that's what I thought, because I try using essential oil. The more you use it without mixing it with another carrier oil, it's not good. So yeah, then I continue blending it again, blending until I see it start getting hard. So guys, I put it aside for some minute, and then so you just continue doing the same process until you see it thicken up, until you see. So here I saw that the blending was not going very well, because the bowl was big and the paste was very little. The paste was very little, it was very little, so I had to transfer the paste to a small bowl in order for it to allow me to blend it nicely, and so that the paste can become nice and smooth to be used on the skin. So yeah guys, then I could blend nicely the process. I could blend nicely. Yeah, so that's the whole process guys. So just follow, and then please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, and then yeah, keep on following. I'm joking. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. So once the butter cool down, you continue blending until you get this creamy texture, or ice cream, not ice cream, yogurt texture. um and then your cream is ready to be used. So it's not a long process, anybody can do this, because it doesn't require a lot of things. It only requires shea butter, um aloe vera gel, rice milk, rice milk powder, orange oil, so, and then carrot oil. So that's what you need. It's not a long process. Once you're happy with the texture, like the way it is there, I love the texture. It's thick and it's creamy and it's soft. So then once you're done with blending your product, blending the brata or the cream, whatever, then you need to transfer it into a bowl. But in this case, you need to use a sterilized bowl. Guys, always remember, use sterilized bowl for your products. So but then I continue blending and blending because I was not very happy on the texture. I wanted it more thicker because it's winter time. Winter time, this is a double cream. The winter time, it's very good for heavy cream because then it lasts longer. It absorbs very well on your skin. So then that's why I continue blending, so because I wanted still this nice thick creamy butter. So then from there I was done now blending my product. Yeah, I was done blending my product, so I was very now happy because it was so nice and fluffy. So now it's the time to transfer it into a sterilized bowl. So guys, that's the whole process. You don't need a lot of things, you don't need a lot of equipment, whatever. So this is the process, easy peasy. Oh yeah, so now we're transferring the butter, the cream, to a sterilized bottle. Please, whenever you want to transfer your butters to a bottle, let's say the way we did our butter, if you want to do a cocoa butter cream, or you want to do a shea butter cream with aloe vera, or maybe mango butter cream, make sure that the bottles that you use are well sterilized, because bottles, if they're not well sterilized, people who are very sensitive, who have very sensitive skin, they can react very very quickly to. After putting our butters in a jar, this jar is a sterilized jar. Let's do a test patch and see guys. I'm so excited to show you guys on how this thing works. It's moisturized, it's very 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 nice, it's smooth. So it depends, if you apply it on your skin, you feel like it goes deep into your skin. It's not a heavy butter that can close your pores or whatever, but it goes nicely into your skin. I have a very sensitive skin, so it's not every type of any lotion that I can use on my skin works. And I have a dry body skin. I have an oily skin on the face but dry on the body. So this butter, this lotion is the one, guys. Is the one. You can see how it gives me glow. You can see how it goes, how it blends very well on my skin without even adding water or oils. It blends it very well. So guys, if you love this video, you can try it at home. If you have turmeric and you have shea butter, you have carrot, try it out. Thank you very much, guys. And this is the final result of the butter. Very good for the skin. And guys, thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. Bye guys. Bye.